The rise of robots marks a new era in the economy. The economy is changing. Robots and artificial intelligence, or AI, are becoming more common. They are changing how we work and live. This new technology is exciting. It also raises important questions about the future. Robots are already used in many industries. They work in factories, warehouses, and hospitals. Self-driving cars are being tested on our roads. AI is being used to automate tasks, analyze data, and make decisions. This transformation is happening quickly. It is affecting businesses of all sizes. It is also impacting workers in various sectors. We need to understand these changes to prepare for the future. This essay will explore how robots and AI are changing the economy. We will look at the benefits and the challenges they bring. We will also examine the role of government, businesses, and workers in shaping this new era. One of the key questions about robots and AI is how they will impact economic growth. Some believe that AI will lead to a surge in productivity and GDP. However, my research suggests a more modest impact. Based on current trends, I project that AI will increase GDP by 1.1 to 1.6% over the next decade. This translates to an annual productivity gain of about 0.05%. While not insignificant, these figures are far below the claims of some proponents who predict AI will double economic growth. It is crucial to ground our expectations in reality. AI is a powerful tool, but it is not a magic bullet. Its impact on GDP and productivity will depend on factors such as the pace of adoption, the development of complementary technologies, and the skills of the workforce. While AI has the potential to boost economic growth, we should not expect it to solve all our economic challenges. Addressing issues like income inequality, climate change, and access to education will require a multifaceted approach that goes beyond technological solutions. As robots and AI become more sophisticated, they are capable of performing a wider range of tasks. This is leading to concerns about job displacement and the future of work. While it is true that some jobs will be lost to automation, it is important to understand the nuances of this shift. AI is particularly adept at tasks that involve data analysis, pattern recognition, and information processing. This means that white-collar jobs in sectors like finance, law, and accounting are likely to be significantly impacted. For example, AI-powered software can now analyze legal documents, detect financial fraud, and generate reports, tasks that were previously performed by human professionals. However, AI still struggles with tasks that require creativity, empathy, and complex problem-solving. Jobs that involve human interaction, such as nursing, teaching, and social work, are less likely to be fully automated in the near future. It is more accurate to think of AI as changing the nature of jobs rather than eliminating them entirely. Many jobs will be transformed as certain tasks are automated, requiring workers to adapt their skills and learn to collaborate with machines. The current development of AI is heavily focused on automation. The goal is often to replace human workers with machines that can perform tasks more efficiently and at lower cost. While this approach has its merits, it is important to consider the broader implications. Instead of solely focusing on automation, we should prioritize the development of AI that enhances human capabilities. This means creating AI systems that work alongside humans, augmenting their skills, and enabling them to perform their jobs more effectively. Imagine a world where doctors use AI to diagnose diseases more accurately, where teachers use AI to personalize learning for each student, and where architects use AI to design more sustainable buildings. This vision of AI as a tool for human progress is more promising than one that simply replaces human workers. By shifting our focus from automation to enhancement, we can harness the power of AI to create a more equitable and prosperous future for everyone. This requires a conscious effort from researchers, policymakers, and business leaders to prioritize human-centered AI development. Well, when we talk about AI adoption, it's important to consider a balanced approach. You see, while AI can bring about tremendous efficiencies and advancements, we must also be cautious. It's not just about jumping on the latest technology bandwagon. We need to think about the broader implications. For instance, there are potential job displacements to consider. It's crucial to have strategies in place to retrain and upskill workers. Moreover, ethical considerations must not be overlooked. AI systems should be designed and implemented in ways that are fair and just. So, Yeah, it's a complex issue. But with thoughtful, measured adoption, we can harness the benefits of AI while mitigating its risks. Balancing innovation with responsibility is key to ensuring that AI serves the greater good. As we look ahead, the future of artificial intelligence holds both promise and uncertainty. It's crucial that we take deliberate steps to shape AI development in ways that benefit society as a whole. This means fostering innovation while also implementing safeguards to prevent misuse. We must ensure that AI systems are designed with ethical considerations in mind, prioritizing transparency, accountability, and fairness. Technology has the potential to transform lives, but it's important that these benefits are shared equitably. We need to address the digital divide and ensure that everyone has access to the tools and resources necessary to thrive in a tech-driven world. This includes investing in education and training programs that prepare individuals for the jobs of the future. By doing so, we can create a more inclusive economy where no one is left behind. The rise of AI is often compared to the Industrial Revolution, a period of significant change that reshaped economies and societies. Just as the Industrial Revolution brought about new opportunities and challenges, so too does the advent of AI. It's essential to learn from history and manage this transition carefully. By understanding the parallels, we can better navigate the complexities of integrating AI into our modern world. When discussing robots and the economy, it's important to maintain a balanced perspective. While automation can lead to job displacement, it also opens up new avenues for economic growth and innovation. The key is to strike a balance between embracing technological advancements and supporting those affected by these changes. By fostering a dynamic and adaptable workforce, we can harness the full potential of robots while mitigating their disruptive impacts.